Hello and welcome to another vlog. Today I'm doing a drive through Bilbao just to see what I think of the area on first glance. Unfortunately, it's raining outside, so I can't do the walking tour that I was hoping to, but nevertheless, I'm hoping to get a feel for Bilbao, and I'll be sharing my first impressions with you, and after that, I'll be taking you for dinner to a very special place. Bilbao has a pretty interesting history. It used to be a port city and pretty industrial, which it still is in some areas. But quite recently, the government decided that in order to attract tourists, in order to change the whole image of the city, they needed to introduce art and culture, which is why the Guggenheim Museum is now a huge thing here. It's probably the biggest tourist attraction. There's also the Fine Arts Museum, and the buildings look like works of art on their own. Everything is super clean, very modernized with a traditional charm behind it. I am very, very, very pleasantly surprised by Bilbao. I was almost not going to drive through here when I saw the outskirts, which are, as I said, very industrial, but I'm so happy that I did because honestly, had the weather been better, I would have easily stayed for 2 whole days here. We're now approaching the old town called Casco Viejo. I can already see some colorful houses. It looks kind of like it could be in Amsterdam because they're all really narrow.
Fun fact, did you know this whole area has its own language that's nothing like Spanish? But moving on, just as the sun came out, I finally arrived to my unique spot for dinner that I mentioned earlier in the video.
I've arrived to my very special destination for dinner. As you can see, the view is already quite something, but the best part is that it's a castle from over 100 years ago, which was recently converted into a hotel. So on the inside, we've got top-end restaurants, beautiful rooms, and interior design that I'm so excited for you to see. I'm so excited right now. Dessert is always my favorite part, and this looks so satisfying. It's a cheesecake with ice cream and with a fruit sauce. The cheesecake here is served warm, and it's very light, fluffy, and airy. Really good. I am so full. I feel all I've been doing here in Spain is eating so far, and rightfully so, because the food has been phenomenal. So if you ever do a Spanish road trip like I have, make sure you come with plenty of space in your tummy to fill it up with amazing local delicacies and treats. Now the time has come for me to move on to my next stop in Spain, so thank you very much for watching my Bilbao vlog, and if you enjoyed this one, why not check out this one next?